Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to private photos in Facebook. So I'm heading over to the Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now head over to the profile. Now scroll down and go to Photos section. Now here you will find the photos. So if you have any photo and you want to make it private, tap on the three dots on the top right. And here you will find the option of Edit Post Privacy. Tap on it. Now just make it to only me and tap on Save. Now it is or the photo is made private. So yeah, this is how easily you can make private photos in Facebook. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.